Hi, I'm Meenakshi Dutt, and today I'm going to talk about the newly launched Pro brushes by FOREVER52. These are the 7 new Pro brushes which have wooden handles and very soft bristles, perfect to work on your face. So I'm going to talk about these brushes and how we can use them professionally and also if you want to use them personally. The first brush I'm going to be using is the foundation application brush, which is number PX043, and I'm just going to take a little bit of my foundation on it and I'm going to apply it on all over the face. So it's perfect for application. The second brush I'm using is PX004. This is to blend the foundation. So after you have done the foundation application, we need to evenly blend the foundation. So you can do it in circular motions. Blending is a very important part of a foundation. That's the way the foundation looks more natural, and it has to look even all over the face, the neck, whatever areas that you're going to be applying it. So it's very important for the bristles to be very soft and it should not leave any lines. So this brush is perfect for blending because it's not leaving any lines. As you can see, it's blending the foundation very beautifully, very evenly. So the whole face looks even and it's looking very smooth. The third brush I'm using is PX041, which is a concealer brush. As you can see, it's slightly slanted from the upper side and it goes in an angular way. So it is very easy to cover your under eyes with it. It covers all the inner corners. And the bristles are very soft, so it's very easy to work on delicate areas of the face. And of course, if you require to use your concealer anywhere else, you can just do that. FOREVER52 has also launched the blending sponge, and you can see it has a flat side and it has a tapered side. So tapered side works very well again in the inner corners to blend your concealer. Once you have used the brush for application, you just need to dab it with the blender. And once your base is set, you can go ahead with the other parts of the face. So it's helping me blend the concealer, the foundation, everything evenly. Now I'm using the same sponge for my wet and dry compact to set the base and also to make the base stay longer. So slight dabbing motions work best. So just evenly apply it all over the face and it's helping the compact blend very easily. It's just sliding over the face. And you don't need to put extra product, even less product is enough. Now I'm going to be using the blusher brush, which is PX042. I'm going to dive into this peach color, which is a pretty color for all skin tones. This is again by FOREVER52 and the shade number is RB002. So you can see it's a beautiful peach and blending beautifully on the apple of the cheeks. Once you have applied your blusher, you can just blend it softly. Now is the time for the eye makeup. So I am starting with PX038. This is a shadow blending brush. We have two shadow blending brushes. I'm using the smaller one. Just using in the corners. More like on the crease and blending it out. And making a V. Same way I'll be doing that on the other eye. It's really soft and it's catching the color very well, and it's actually not it's actually blending beautifully, and it's also helping in lesser fallouts. And I'm just loving this quality of these brushes because it's making my work easier. Now I'm using the Crease brush, which is more of a flat brush, which is PX040. Perfect to be working on the crease. So I'll be using a slightly more shimmery metallic color. It's a flat brush, so to deposit the color on the eyes, on the center of the eyes, below the crease becomes a little easy. So you see, you can just remove the extras with the blending brush or with the sponge, and we have very soft, very elegant eyes and very easy to do because the brushes were amazing. Now the last brush that I'm going to be using is PX037. Now this is also a blending brush, but it's a bigger blending brush. So if you want to just blend the two colors, you just need to use this brush. I'll just first start with under the brow. So I'm just going to be doing a little highlighter with this brush. And then I'm just going to blend everything together with this brush. All the three colors. And it's going to work wonderfully if you use it again in circular motions. These handles are very easy to hold and the bristles are amazingly soft and they are really good to work with. So here guys, now you can see my model is ready with her look in which I have used these FOREVER52 brushes, the pro brushes, and believe me, if you use them you will just fall in love with them. And also have used their beauty blender, which is very soft, very easy to use. It has the flat side and it has the tapered side. So these pro products can actually go a long way in creating amazing looks.